I want to know who motherfucking representing it here tonight. Hold on, hold on.
Keep letting you back in. How can I explain my...
Hey guys, it's Erika. What's up? I'm back. We back. And I'm back with another, well, not another, because I think this is my first natural hair video besides my how to stretch your hair video. So I'm back with this video to show you guys how to do this ponytail that I've been loving for the past 3 weeks. And if you guys want a different kind of video with this hair, let me know. But I'm going to show you how I got my short shrinkage 4C, beautiful 4C coily kinky, all that hair into this ponytail. Keep watching. So the first product that I'm going to be putting in it, you guys can barely see it because I need to get another one. I'm getting more on Monday, is this Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. This stuff is like God himself sent it. I promise you, when you put it in your hair is not tangled. You can comb through it. My hair is 4C, so it gets tangled a lot. It's constantly tangled. That's the state that it is. So this thing is a lifesaver. Kinky Curly Not Today. Look, this is what it looks like. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna be using a little bit of this if it comes out the bottle. Well, this is kind of a lot. You only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. I promise you. So I put it all through my hair. Everywhere. All through my hair. And then I take my hard bristle brush, you know, my black girl brush, and I brush up my hair. And then I take this Got to Be Glued, mine's really dirty, the styling sprinkling glue, the yellow one. I also used to use Eco Styler, but I ran out. Eco Styler does work for me. Oh, excuse me. I know a lot of people say it doesn't work for them, but I think they might not be using it right. So the same way that I do this is the same thing that I do with the Eco Styler, and it works. This is more like if you needed to stay the whole day, like you went to class 9 o'clock and you want this ponytail and these hairs to be in place at 9 p.m., use this gel. So I take some of this and, sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. I put it on the edges and anywhere where like the hair is going to be showing. I know it's white right now, it's not going to be white later, I promise. I put it in the back in the same places in your kitchen. Make sure all your little peas is up. And then I take my brush again and brush it up, brush it up, brush it up. And if your hair's short in the back, you could always use a bobby pin to pin it. Whenever my ponytail is like not as flat as I want it to be, I usually just pin down the bump parts. And then I put it into a bun. Some people leave it in a ponytail. I do not. I don't understand how they do that. I put it into a little bun like that. You'll see my little shrinkage bun. It's nice and cute. And then I take the brush and brush it up again in the back. Because I'm putting my hair in a bun, when I get into the pool, I want the back to look flat just like the front. And then I take this Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray that you use for like when you have wigs and stuff. And I spray it on my hair to make sure it stays in place. This is what makes sure the glue that you just put stays in place, not the glue, the gel. And I spray it all over, even in my little bun thing. and then I brush it up again. And then after I brush it up, I take a hair dryer. Mine's the Revlon hair dryer. I got it from Walmart. Y'all can use any hair dryer. I put it on cool, and then I put it on high, and I just blow dry it until it's like tacky, so when I tie it down it'll be easier to stay. I use my hair scarf and I just lay it flat. Mostly in the front I tighten it. I don't really care how the back be looking. And then I take another one of these bands and I tie it in the back. And then I let it stay for at least 10 minutes, and then I usually go do my makeup. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm here. I'm going to be using this ponytail right here. It is 1 pack of Yaki hair from my beauty supply store. It was about $3 and I put it in this ponytail. This is not the full hair. I've been wearing this ponytail, so a lot of it came out. So a lot of hair comes in the back because it still kind of looks, it's still pretty thick. So what you do is you take one of those little rubber band things and you tie it in the middle of the hair. That's what I did. I tied it in the middle of the hair. I tied it around twice for extra security. We're gonna take this off. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the hair on facing this way, like this, and put the ponytail holder around the ponytail holder that's holding your bun, and wrap it around as many times as you would like. I do it like 3 times for extra security. And then you just flip it over. Can you see? You just flip it over and bam, you got some ponytail. You go right like this. So if you guys like this hair tutorial and you guys like my natural hair tutorials, because I know there's not a lot of 4C short 4C hair videos on YouTube, because like when I look and it says short 4C hair, it's like their hair is actually really freaking long. If you guys like these videos and want to see more hairstyles from me and want to see me trying out other people's hairstyles, things like that, comment them down below and I'll be sure to do it as quick as I can, because we're doing videos all summer 2018. Period. Period. With a T. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and tell your friends to subscribe and share it on all these other pages, because I really enjoy the support that I've been getting lately and I would love for our family to be bigger. So yeah. Bye guys.